Octoparse, an easy web scraper for anyone.
As the digital age evolves, Twitter is more than a social platform, it's where the world thinks out loud. However, getting complete Twitter data has long been a challenge, especially after new leadership took over. The newest restriction made by Elon Musk imposed strict rate limits, making it significantly harder to collect large volumes of real-time tweet data. Given this tricky tweet scraping challenges, Octoparse took it a step further. Our newest Twitter scraping template works without logging in at all, and it smoothly breaks through Twitter's rate limits to enable large-scale tweets data collection. On top of that, it is built on Twitter's advanced search, offering rich selection options, giving you powerful, precise control over what you collect. You can try that both by heading over to our official website and trying it out in our desktop application. Here's the detailed steps work in the desktop. First, open Octoparse and see our desktop window. Click the template over here. Next, search Twitter in the search bar, then you will find our newest Twitter template, Twitter Advanced Search Scraper. Now, let's say we're looking for the kind of tweets listed on the right. All you need to do is enter those same filters one by one into the fields provided in the template. Our scraper template follows the same input rules as Twitter's advanced search. Oh yes, only the starred fields are ones you must fill in, but the other optional fields are also provided to support your specific data needs, whether you want to filter by language or other keywords. Our template scrapes exactly the tweets you selected from the advanced search page on Twitter. Once you complete everything, click Start to run it in the cloud mode. As you can see, the cloud is already at work, and hundreds of job listings are lining up, just waiting to be caught by our cloud nodes. You can export the structured data in different formats, Excel, CSV, or whatever works best for you. And just like that, you've scraped thousands of data points, all in just a few minutes, with almost zero effort. So go try it out. Just name your demand in the template fields and let Octoparse take care of the rest.